everyone, so today we're going to draw a hedgehog holding a little mushroom. So first we're going to start out with the hedgehog's body. So we'll go ahead and start about right here. We're going to kind of make like so we're going to start in the middle. We're going to kind of make like a heart shape, but not really. Like we're going to kind of like just come down and then just make it rounded at the bottom. So like not pointed at the bottom like a heart, but the top part is kind of like a heart shape. And then just come down. Just try and make it, as even as you can on both sides. So kind of like that. So that's his body. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and add 2 little ears off to the side here. And then another one on this side. And then we're gonna add a little, like the area around the nose, like whatever it's called, like the muzzle, I guess. And then we're gonna add a little round nose. And then a little smile. And we're also gonna add 2 eyes. And we're gonna add like a little shine on the eye. We're gonna color all this in black later, so just like a little circle here and a little circle there. Just color all that in with your pencil for now. And we're also gonna add 2 little arms. So we're gonna put one little arm like this, so kind of just like a little sideways oval, a couple little toes, and then we're gonna put another one right here. Little toes, and then we're gonna add 2 little feet here at the bottom. Make them about the same size as the hands. All right, and then we're gonna put a little mushroom. He's gonna be holding a little tiny mushroom. So just a little half circle like that. And then we're gonna round it out at the bottom here. So it kind of like looks like a little football. And then we're gonna go up like this for the top of the mushroom. And then we're gonna add a little stem here at the bottom. So we're gonna erase that little part right there, because that's where that's the bottom part. This is the bottom part of the mushroom. And then we have the top. We're just gonna add a couple circles on the top. All right, and then we also wanna add the hedgehog's hair, like around its body. So we're gonna, or hair, I don't know if it's spines. Is it spines or hair? It's just little spines around his body. So kind of like this. We're just gonna stop like about right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the other side. Just kind of stay close to the body. You don't want it coming out too far like a lion. So kind of like that. All right, so next we are going to go ahead and outline our hedgehog. I have to pull out my Sharpie marker. I got some new Sharpies, so I'm gonna go grab one of these. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and outline everything. It's a very thin Sharpie marker, which actually works better than a thick one if you're doing small details. So let's go around like that. Get the body. All right, we'll do our eyes. So we're going to color our eyes in black. Make that a little rounder, and then we're going to leave those little white spots right there. Just be very careful not to color those in. All right, and then do our other eye over here. All right, and then we want to go ahead and do the rest of our face. We're going to color that little nose in black. A little smile. Should put our little toes on there. And then our body, or the fuzz around the body. All right, so next we are going to go ahead and erase all of our pencil lines before we color our little guy. So I'm gonna leave his body white, except for like his feet and the area around his nose. We're gonna do that a different color. But as far as I know, hedgehogs are usually white on their bodies. And then they have the brown spines around the body. All right, so we are going to start with this light brown color. We're going to do the ears that color. And also the area around the nose. And the arms or hands, feet, I guess it would be feet. The animals just have feet, no arms. And bottom feet. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and do so the inside of our ears, we're just gonna do pink. And then for our mushroom, I'm gonna do an orange mushroom. I'm gonna do a little darker orange at the top. And then a lighter orange at the bottom. All right, and then for the fuzzy part around him, we're gonna do a dark brown. Right, and then I'm going to do the other side. All right, and that is it. So that is how you draw a hedgehog holding a mushroom. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I have a lot of videos on my page and a lot more to come in the future. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.